let's get to it. Okay. There we go. Right, let's get you in here. Oh, God. Oh, oh, that's a shame. That's quite catchy, actually. Oh, I think I'll leave this till tomorrow.
Excuse me, madam. Thinking of selling your house?
No.
Just a moment. Are you sure?
That much?
Absolutely.
You're on.
What?
Just sign the agreement here. See you tomorrow. There.
Oh, no. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay.
Oh, hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to book an appointment, please. 12 Arbor Road.
Shall we say tomorrow at 11?
Okay. Thank you. Right, we haven't got long. That's the goal. Now, just only that. There we go.
One last outing? Oh, go on then.
Oh, see you later, ladies.
Morning.
Bye.
The postman! He's here, he's here! He's here, Mrs. Wicket! He's here! Oh, come along, come along. Thank you! Oh, no, that's yours. I know. No. Don't. Ah! Thank you! It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here! Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! My collection complete. Okay. So, now what?
So you want to do swapsies? Oh, how about this?
Got that one. Got that one. Got that one.
What about this one? It's mega rare.
Oh, cool.
Hello? What have you got there?
It's the JV Stud sticker book.
Oh. Jamie Studs.
You've got to collect them all.
Well, that looks brilliant. I think I'm going to get myself one.
Oh, cool.
Here we are. I'll have this sticker book, please. Oh, and I'll need some stickers. Yeah. I'm just gonna take the whole lot. There we are.
Thank you.
Stickers, please.
All gone.
Oh, I like that one. Very colourful. There. Complete. Aye?
There's one sticker you haven't got.
The golden shiny. Ha! You'll never find it. It's mega rare.
What? The golden shiny. There's one right there. Oh, in his house. I wonder. Oh.
Hello?
Is Jamie Studs there, please?
No visitors.
What?
No visitors.
There we go. Perfect. Oh! Ow! Right down the front. Who's this? Irma!
Hello, Beanie.
Like it?
Yeah, very nice.
Pick you up later.
Oh, there's no need. I've got my car. Yes.
In that?
That's quite a good one, actually.
Really? Let me show you a real car.
Okay, let's have a look.
Lunch, remember? I've only got an hour from the donkey sanctuary.
Here's the key. I'll be right in.
Spoiler.
Right.
Alloy wheels.
All right. Yes.
Maxi tyres. Tinted windows.
It's okay, I suppose. Can I have a look inside? Oh, thank you very much. Oh, yes, very nice.
All my music.
Oh, that's very loud! I said the music's very loud.
Cool, huh?
Oh. Very good. Well, thank you very much. But this car's very nice too, actually.
Really? Let's see who Irma chooses to take her back.
What? What a nerve. Right. Let's see.
Lunch?
I'm busy. Right, where to start? Aha. One spoiler. Excellent. No one's going to be seeing out of that.
Very nice.
There we go. Excellent. Now then. I know. Ta-da! That's all we need. There we are. Excellent. can I help you there? There. Oh, there we go. Wait, no, wait. No, wait. But, no. Oh, no, you don't. No, but I've got... Right. Well... Yeah. Now, to find my card, how hard can it be? Oh, my goodness. Where is it? My card. Yes. There it is. Oh, hopeless. I know. I'll make my own. Lovely. Right. Maybe a bit of this. Yes, oh, Teddy. There we go. Teddy smell. There we are. Shoot. Oh, he likes the fish. Yellow. I need something yellow. Yellow. Ah. There we are. And maybe a bit more. Ah, that's better. Oh, quick. No. She's back. Oh, forgotten. Oh. Oh, no.
Lovely.
Oh, go on then. One squirt, mind. Expensive stuff, this.
Ah.
Oh, Bean!
Oh. Oh, hello.
That's not my perfume.
No, this is much nicer.
Really?
Oh, Scrapper likes it too.
Get off. It's mine now. Can you make more of this stuff?
Yes, I can.
Hello, come on in. Come on in.
Free sample. Yours will be ready soon. It better be. Right, you. Outside.
Oh, let's give this a go. Teddy, you come here, you'll get a better view. Right.
3, 2, 1. Oh, no.
Oh, I've got an idea. Okay. There we are. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty good. All right, time to go to the park, Teddy. Go that way.
Oh, yeah! Woo!
Excuse me.
Oh.
Thank you. Whee! Ah. Here we are. Hello, everybody. Sorry I'm late.
Ah, nice wheels.
Right.
Keep up, Grandad.
After you.
Whee!
Okay, Teddy, hang on tight. This is going to be quite a ride.
Hey?
Oh, my goodness.
Right. Whoa!
No problem.
Easy. Let's see you do the jump of doom.
Dangerous.
Bring it on. Right. No problem. Oh, just got to get in the zone. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Hmm? Okay, Teddy. Here we go again. Hey.